president of the Seng Iktien Weitho Jantia, O.R. Challam, was recently awarded with the Sanmaan Patra 2025 conferred upon him by the Vivekananda Kendra Institute of Culture, VKIC. The award was presented on 31st January 2025 during the 28th Foundation Day celebration held at the Guwahati Medical College and Hospital Auditorium in Bhangagad. Addressing the media, Challam expressed his appreciation for VKIC's distinctive community-based approach to participative research within Northeast Indian communities and its commitment to preserving the region's rich cultural heritage.
Em hay đi wo pemana wo khana ba ba hay jing yi to wo ga jing la lu ti ga yonga chagatai ka organization ka wa em ga ti ko wa now sok of you wa ki representative na ki state ki wa per yonga India em langi tu ga sngi hagatai ka program.
Polling for the